reading books is really where I got the edge on people.
How much influence have the likes of Jim Collins and Martin Gladwell and those authors had on your writing and your thinking in business?
Yeah. So over the years, people say to me, well, how comes you did what you did? Well, first of all, I find that quite uncomfortable because you never think of yourself as a success. One of my favourite sayings is that no man is a success unto himself. Well, I'm no different to that. But if I try and answer that question, because I understand it's well intended, reading books is really where I got the edge on people. I didn't have anybody within the business to go to. I didn't have an older brother that had walked this journey. I didn't have generations of family that had run public companies, etc. I just started reading. I found it very real, very genuine. It meant that I wasn't doing anything else. I was completely focused. So I suspect all of those books have influenced me to varying degrees, and I practice a lot of what's in those books, particularly Jim Collins, who wrote Good to Great, How the Mighty Fall, Built to Last, and probably one of their best books was the last one, which was Great by Choice. And I learned lots of lessons from them. I've understood mistakes I've made from there.